Service should be completing. So I'll just take this opportunity on behalf of our department to welcome all the dignitaries, especially a warm welcome to our MD sir for this occasion. It's little late, but still please forgive us. Then I request, even I welcome our Rajesh Saikya sir for this auspicious day. I welcome our Anuradha madam as well as all the doctors, Emmanuel sir, Rita madam, Apurva sir was not there today, and Rita madam, Kanima madam, and all the senior sisters and all my colleagues and other staff. I request Rajesh Saikya sir to kindly give Quran to Anuradha madam as a gift.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to say to our beloved sister, Mrs. Kalpana Haldar, on your retirement, honoring her tireless service to Ops and Gynae department. Just not Ops and Gynae, but the pediatric department also, and our little newborns, Central Hospital Malegaon NFR, and celebrating the legacy of hard work and dedication you leave behind. With love from Ops and Gynae department and pediatric department of Central Hospital.
Now I request Dr. Emmanuel sir to do citation for Dr. Anuradha Goswami. Now I request our MD sir to give a short speech.
My senior, not only here but also in college, and respected Kalpana Haldar, who is retiring as Chief Nursing Superintendent, and all my colleagues here, and all the paramedical staff, all the nursing staff who are here on this occasion. First of all, I am sorry that because of me, this program got delayed. Dr. Anuradha Goswami, I know since my college days, because I was a student of Guwahati Medical College in MBBS, not only in MD, rather in MBBS. Since those days I know her. She had been very popular. She was very popular with her professors, with her teachers, and she was quite popular here also. She has worked with so many people, so many of our renowned doctors in this hospital itself, and that legacy was continuing through her. And once they retire, I will be feeling a little disconnected and I will feel feeling little isolated from this hospital because my seniors are gradually retired and I will be the senior most person probably in this hospital after say after retirement of Dr. Satyajit Mahanta, maybe. After that there is no one senior to me to say, to look up to. I have nothing to say much about Dr. Anuradha Goswami because we had very close relation and they had been very popular with patients here, and I am sure that hopefully Tanima will carry over the legacy. She has been trained for 2-3 years with her, so probably she will maybe will not have difficulty in transition. But there would have been a difficulty if they would have retired in 62. That at that time there was a huge gap because once a senior person retires, at least there are certain specialties where you really need a continuity. Particularly one subject is this ONG and pediatrics. So I wish Baidu a very happy next innings. I am sure she will be very relieved because they have served to the best possible extent. They have both of them because Dr. Saikya is also I should say my teacher. He was my teacher on that respect, even in the specialty of anesthesia. Because when I came to this hospital, they were the people whom I met here in this hospital, and they were my guides, particularly Dr. Saikya in anesthesia. And I wish them a very successful next innings, and I am sure they will not be sitting idle. Baidu already has some plan maybe. She is very inclined towards charity work. I am sure she will be joining somewhere, will be doing something good for the society. And Mrs. Kalpana Haldar, I know her indirectly because I had a very able colleague who joined me in this hospital. Along with him I joined actually. He was Dr. Saha, Dr. Bijan Saha. He was a pediatrician. So both these specialties are connected, and he was a highly devoted pediatrician. He finally did neonatology, DM in neonatology, and then he left this hospital. Now currently he is in Calcutta Medical College, associate professor. Now he is associate professor. So he was a very good clinician, and he rather developed this hospital, this neonatal unit, and there he chose some of the nurses whom he thought will be able to deliver him, and she was one of that. So through him I knew how capable I am. Another 2-3 nurses were selected at that time, and they were trained in neonatology, and one of them was she. She is a very silent worker, never raises her voice. I know her weakness also. Sometimes she finds difficult to express herself in English, but she expresses herself in her own mother tongue very well, and she is a capable clinician, and she has served this hospital for so long, and she is a very devoted worker. I wish him all the success in her post-retirement life, and I think she is a capable worker, so she can join anywhere. I believe she had that capability. Thank you all, and again I wish both of you very happy post-retirement life. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Respected MD sir, my colleague, Dr. Nandita, our distinguished guest, retired respected Dr. Anuradha Vishnu, and first of all, the return is a part of our service. So when you join, we will be retained. So there is a mix of enjoyment and sorrow. So I hope both will cover more than 35 years of their service, and I congratulate them and to give the best wishes for post-retirement life to enjoy good health and well-being. Thank you very much.
I've written some lines for both Anuradha ma'am and Kalpana Baido. This is for Anuradha ma'am. Saying goodbye to a person with whom you have worked for so many years is tough. A true professional who has shown by example that excellence is something to aim for every day. A good communicator, organized and diligent, empathetic, curious and collaborative, have a great bedside manner and a strong advocate for heart patients. You are a mentor and inspiration to many of us out here. The way you have contributed to the department cannot be put in words. We are all going to miss you. In addition to your professionalism, ma'am, I have seen in you a set of personality traits that many of us wish to have. You are kind, you are generous, compassionate, and authentic. And at the same time, you are a woman who is not afraid to express her opinion and speak what is true. Your guidance, encouragement, and outlook have helped us thrive professionally, and we have been so fortunate to have your expertise to rely on. You will be missed. Wish you a happy retirement life. And this is dedicated to Kalpana Baido. Kalpana Baido will be miserably missed in ICU, as has always spoken. She's trained in specially trained in ICU care from Lady Hardinge College, New Delhi. Your kind-heartedness, your empathy for your patients stands out. You are so soft-spoken and gentle that sometimes your voice becomes muffled and inaudible, as I said earlier. Yet, you maintain a level of emotional stability that allows you to administer quality care to your patients. Your skill, physical endurance, quick response, empathy, problem-solving skill help you to endure the stress involved with working in a neonatal resuscitation room, an ICU, and labor room. It is hard to imagine not to see you in an ICU. It will be difficult to feel the void created by your absence. But when I think about your personal front, I'm happy for you. Be your own boss. Say goodbye to tension and say hello to your pension. Remember that retirement is not the end of the road, but just a turn in the road. Wish you a happy retirement. To conclude, I would like to say that it is sad to see you to live, but the moment we all share and the memories we made with you always be remembered. I, on behalf of the Pediatric Department, once again wish you a very happy retirement life. You are retiring from your job, but not from life. Enjoy life to the fullest. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the opportunity. I have nothing to say, but just to say one word to my ma'am, that she is my mother in this institute. Not only for the institute, she is my mother for my life. She has helped me a lot. During my delivery, if she was not there, maybe I would have been in lot of trouble that day. And to my sisters and to Kalpana, they have saved my baby because I was not able to breastfeed him. They have helped me a lot. Thank you.
Colleague and Didi, शी इज कल्पना। ये है रिटायरमेंट लाइफ का पहली अवसर। इस शुभ अवसर पर मेरी तरफ से आप लोगों को शुभकामना है। मैं एक बात बताने के लिए जा रही हूँ कि मैं जब हॉस्टल आई थी तो उसके थोड़े दिन बाद ही मुझे मिले थे ये दीदी अनुराधा दी। मुझे लगता ही नहीं थे कि हमारा कोई गार्जियन नहीं है। कभी किसी बात से हमें कुछ भूल चूक हो जाए तो दीदी हरदम हम लोग को प्यार करती थी। तो हम अभी भी दीदी को मिल रहे थे तो ये हम जरूर मिस करेंगे कि दीदी नहीं होगा। जिंदगी का शुरुआत में जिसको मिलती है उसको लास्ट तक पाना चाहना वो भी एक हमारे लिए एक सौभाग्य होती है। तो दीदी इज ऑलवेज एवरग्रीन। एंड सेकेंडली मेरा दीदी है और एक है मेरा सीनियर कल्पना दी। मेरा 1 साल की सीनियर है वो, लेकिन हम जब रहते थे हमें पता नहीं चलते थे कि ये दीदी हमारा दीदी है या हमारा फ्रेंड है। जब भी हो हम बहुत अच्छे से दिन बिताए हैं। अगले दिन भी आप लोगों का लिए शुभ हो। मैं लेकिन एक बात बताने के लिए आज जो अवसर मिला है मुझे, ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज है आपको बताने के लिए। दीदी आपका जो डिवोशन है उसको हमारा तरफ से, हमारा नर्सिंग डिपार्टमेंट और स्टाफ से मैं एक बात बताने जा रही हूँ। आपको डिवोशन हम ऑलवेज सैल्यूट करते हैं। ये आपको हमारी तरफ से यही आपको है सबसे बड़ी प्रेजेंटेशन, इससे और कुछ नहीं है। आप हमारे साथ रहे, आप दोनों सुस्त रहे, अच्छे शास्त्र रहे आप लोग हमारे साथ रहे। या अगले दिन भी हम बोल सकते हैं कि हमारे कल्पना दी हमें जो रिटायर हो गए, आप लोग उनको याद कीजिए। काम में भी आप लोगों को डिवोशन जरूर बढ़ाइए। आज का दिन भी ऐसा ही है कि हमें काम करना है, बिना काम के हम कुछ भी कर नहीं सकती हैं। आपका काम आपको परिचय है। तो मैं ये बात बोलकर आज यहाँ पे विदाई लेती हूँ। आप लोगों के लिए फिर मेरा शुभकामना है। धन्यवाद।
Respected MD sir and my colleagues Dr. Rajiv Sethia and my juniors Tanima, Himanshu, Rita and all my sisters and staff. Actually, I'm a bit emotional because I am going to leave you all and start a new journey. I spent 35 years working in this hospital, so I have a lot of attachment with this hospital and especially gynae ward. And our department was always like gynae department and pediatrics department are inseparable. We always depend on each other. So whenever we deliver a baby, we think that pediatrics people are there to support us and take care of the babies. So we have always worked as a team, and I hope that you people will continue to do that and always help each other and communicate with each other. I have delivered so many babies, so I feel that even those were the joyous moment to deliver a baby and to give joys to the mother and father, because babies, children, they are very precious for everybody and they are so much wanted. So we always have to be very, very careful with them, and we should always support them emotionally. I am very thankful for your kind words and love shown to me, and I hope you will continue to love me like this and will always meet, because I am going to be here in Maligaon. And if I have hurt anybody of you, knowingly or unknowingly, please forgive me for that, because sometimes we do have shortcomings. So forget that and we'll always remember the sweet memories that we had together. I wish you all a very, very happy future life and work, and I hope you will keep improving in your work and always work as a team. Thank you very much.
Respected MD sir, Dr. Anuradha Di, Dr. Rajesh sir, যদিও চলে গেছে, ডক্টর রিমু স্যার, ডক্টর তনিমা দি, ডক্টর রীতা দি, রেনু ম্যাডাম, উপস্থিত সব কলিগদের এই সম্মানজনক প্রোগ্রামের জন্য অশেষ ধন্যবাদ। আজকের এই দিনটি আমার কাছে খুবই স্মরণীয় হয়ে থাকবে, কারণ সবাইকে আমি একসাথে পেয়েছিলাম। আমি প্রথম ঈশ্বরের কাছে প্রার্থনা করি সকলে সুস্থ, শান্তি, আনন্দময় জীবন কামনা করি। যদিও আমার এই লম্বা জীবন সফর কিছু ভুলভ্রান্তি মনোমালিন্য হয়ে থাকে, ক্ষমা সুন্দর গুণে মাফ করে দেবেন। আমি 1983 থেকে হসপিটালে যুক্ত হয়েছি, বেশিরভাগ ম্যাটারনিটি এমএসসিতে কাজ করেছি। কত সংকটময় অবস্থা, মা বাচ্চাদের, ডক্টর আর কলিগদের সাথে মানে ওরা ভালোভাবে বাড়িতে গেছে এবং সেই স্বর্গীয় আনন্দ অনুভব করেছি। অনেক ঘরোয়া পরিবেশ এই হসপিটালে আমার সাথে ছিল, কিন্তু একটা কথা আছে, রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের যেতে নাহি দিব তবুও যেতে দিতে হয়। আমার এক অধ্যায় শেষ হলো, বাকি হতে ঘরে হবে আমার ঈশ্বর, আমার পরিবার আর আপনাদের স্মৃতি আমি রোমন্থন করতে থাকবো। অনুরাধা দিদির সাথে আমার হোস্টেল থেকে পরিচয় ছিল এবং পুরো এই মানে আমার এই জীবন পর্যন্ত দিদির সাথে আছে। কোনো বিপদ আপদ বা কোনো কিছুতে উপদেশ আমি নিয়েছি ডিউটিতে। তো আরেকটা কথা না বললে না হয়, এই এমআইসিতে ডক্টর সাহার সাথে এবং ডক্টর এমলের থেকে আমি অনেক কিছু শিখতে পেরেছি এবং এইটাই আমার চলার পথে কখনো মানে সেই এনআইসি চালানোর ক্ষেত্রে বাধা হয়ে দাঁড়ায়নি। আমি আমার পরিবারকেও ধন্যবাদ জানাই, কেননা আমার ডিউটি থেকে যেতে অনেক সময় ডেলিভারি কেস থেকে আমি ছেড়ে যেতে পারি না, রাত্রেও হয়ে যায়, বা ডিউটিতে আসার সময় তাড়াতাড়ি আসতে হয় বলে ওরা আমার জন্য অনেক হেল্প করেছে, আমার ঘরের পরিবার। তো আমি সেই জন্য সবাইকেই ধন্যবাদ জানাই, আবার ধন্যবাদ জানাই সবাইকে, অন্তর থেকে শুভেচ্ছা এবং আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানাই। এখানে আমি শেষ করছি।
Respected MD sir, my seniors, my colleagues, nursing staff and everyone present here, I would like to thank all of you for taking out your time from your busy schedule to attend the farewell program and make it a huge success. I also would like to thank all the nursing staff of ONG and pediatric department who took initiative to organize this program and fulfilling their own obligation towards making this program a success. Special mention must be made of the nursing in charge of the two departments, Sister Nyangpi and Sister Joyশ্রী, under whose initiation and follow-up this program has been made possible. I would also like to thank Dr. Anuradha ma'am and Sister Kalpana Baido for attending this program organized specially for them to celebrate the unboxing of their new chapter of life. Farewell lunch will be served after the end of the program. I requested every one of us to partake the farewell lunch. Thank you all so much once again. Thank you.
हमें तो एग्जाम्पल बोलने को
एक्सटेम्पर से अच्छा होता है, मन का बात नहीं होता है। तनिमा के साथ सब हाँ दिल में है वो निकल